You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Sleep is friends with death, but maybe I should get some rest. Cause I've been out here working all damn day. Blueberries and butterflies, the pretty things that greet my eyes when you call and I say I'm on my way. You and me belong together like cold iced tea and warm weather, where we lay out late underneath the pines and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together all the time. Spilling wine and homemade drinks, we throw a cheers, the worries sink. Damn it, it's so good to be alive. We know that we don't got much, but then again it's just enough to always find a way for a good time.
Live a life less ordinary, live a life extraordinary with me. Live a life less sedentary, live a life evolutionary with me. Well, I hate to be a bother, but it's you and there's no other, I do believe. You can call me naive, but I know me very well, at least as far as I can tell, and I know what I need. Moving forwards, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Dream of better lives, the kind which never hate. Trapped in a state of imaginary grace.
so far. It all looks just like the
It looks good. Oh, I should.
The dawn is breaking, a light shining through. You're barely waking, and I'm tangled up in you. Well, I'm open, you're closed. Where I follow, you'll go. I worry I won't see your face. Light up again, even the best fall down sometime. Even the wrong words seem to run out of the doubt that fills my mind. I'll somehow find you and I collide.
like cold iced tea and warm weather where we lay out late underneath the pines and we still have fun when someone was shining. You and me belong together all the time. Goes on and on and on. Goes on and on and on. Goes on and on and on.
Loved it.
That's it.
Woohoo!